Hi everyone, welcome to Adventure of RB Tutorials. Today's agenda Excel Basic. In this video, looking for Excel Basic, the Excel screen itself. Guys, please subscribe my channel and share your friends. Thank you. In this video, looking for Excel Basic, the Excel screen itself. These are that the Excel screen when you open it for the first time. Let's start this concept. Microsoft Excel, a spreadsheet program used to record and analyze numerical and statistical data. Microsoft Excel provide the multiple feature to perform various operations like calculation, pivot table, graph tools, macro programs, etc. It capable with multiple OS like Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Excel as spreadsheet can be understood as a collection of columns and rows that form a table. Alphabetical tables are usually assigned to columns and numbers are usually assigned to rows. The point where a column and a row meet is called a cell. The address of cell given by letter representing a columns and the number of representing as a row. One thing in my mind, why should I learn Microsoft Excel? We deal with number in one way or the other. We all have daily expense which we pay for all the monthly income that we earn. For one to spend wisely, they we need to know the income wisely expend. Microsoft Excel come in handling when we want to record, analyze and store much numerical data. Basic definition of Microsoft Excel. Guys, when you open it for the first time, a blank book in this place, if you open blank book, it look like that. Now in this blank book, if you see, there are various things available on screen. Let me try to explain you. First thing you see, workbook. Workbook Excel file are known as workbook. Each workbook hold on more worksheet. Worksheet is a framework of columns and rows where columns are identified by letters running across the top of worksheet and rows are identified by number running down the left side of the worksheet. Guys, please focus on this picture. In this picture, you can see 10 green points. Every point is very important and useful. First, you can see command group. Command group is wise to add from drop down menu to choose from your command and select more commands. And you can see name box. Name box display the location or name of a selected cells. You can see worksheet view option. A variety of viewing options that change how your workbook is displayed. You can choose the view any workbook is normal view, page layout view, page break view. This view can useful for various tasks if you planning to print that spreadsheet. And fourth one, you can see zoom control. To use the zoom control, click and the slider, the number to right of the slider reflect zoom percentage. Guys, fifth one, you can see worksheet. The worksheet Excel file called workbook. Each workbook hold or more worksheet, also called a spreadsheet. Whenever you create a new Excel workbook, it will contain one worksheet named Sheet 1. A worksheet is of columns and rows, where columns are designed by letters running across the top of the worksheet and rows are designed by numbers running down the left side of the worksheet. When working with a long amount of data, you can create multiple worksheets to help organize your workbook and make it easier to find content. You also group worksheet to quickly add information to multiple worksheets at the same time. Cell. Whenever you work with Excel, you enter information or content into cell. Cell are the basic building block of worksheet. You need to learn the basic cells and content to calculate, analyze the organized data in Excel. One is a formula bar. Cells can contain formula and function that calculate cells value. In our example, sum 4 and 7. Add the value to each cells is in cell range 4, 7 and display the total is 8 cells. One is a vectors and horizontal scroll bar. In Excel, you can change the horizontals and vectors alignment of cells data by default text is left alignment and value and data right alignment. Use the button in the alignment group of home tabs to alert alignment. Align text right aligns the data along the right edge of the cell. Guys, in this video, we clear basic parts of Excel workbook. You had any queries, any questions, please drop on description box. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy this content. If you do like my channel, please subscribe, comment, share the video to your friends and like them. Thank you taking time watch this video.